Okay, what am I going to do? Okay, so I'm trying to set up everything. There's a need for this live session, right? There's a need for this live session, and it's an urgent one, right? Very, very urgent. This live session is going to be brief, not really taking much time, right? So I think I will just do just one, just 50 minutes, and that's going to be okay. All right. So, first of all, please, you need to share this live. If you are here, please make sure. Right. There's something I want to teach you guys. So, firstly, let me bring this. Let me bring this. Let me show you guys this picture. So we are going to be talking based on this picture. Based on this. Let me go back and save that picture. Let me go back and save it. I think I did save. So let me look for it. Okay. Yeah. So this is it. Yeah, this is it. I'm going to read from here, right? I'm going to read from here. First of all, let me share this live. And thank you very much for everyone that joined this live. I'm going to discuss a lot. I will also again show you guys which coin to buy, right? And not just that, but also to educate you what to do in the bear market, right? What to do in the bear market. It's we also at the same time have a breaking news, right? Because there's something something that happened in this crypto space which not supposed to be so, but it happens already. And yeah, I have a partnership with kucoin, right? And this partnership is making sure that I introduce my followers to the right platform to trade, and so let me close, let me make this white. To introduce my followers to the right platform to trade, and also to to benefit from it, right? So if you use my coupon link, you are going to be getting a bonus, right? So my coupon link is in the comment section below, right? In the comment section below. Content creating company Twitter handle, right? So look at that breaking news. That's a breaking news. Let me read it from here. So this breaking news says that, and I will show you guys what to do during bear market, because I see every year you hear that the market crash down and some people just take their life, commit suicide. I want to let you know that. I want to let you know what you are supposed to do during the bear market. See, bear market is one of the good parts you can take position. And even if you lost some amount of money, there is how you are going to recover it. And I'm going to show you guys that in this video, right? So this news said that breaking, a Ukrainian crypto investor, by the name, a 32 years old was found dead from a self-inflicted gunshot wound inside his Lamborghini Urus in Kiev. The tragedy came as the crypto market suffered a $19 billion wipeout. Authorities have ruled it a suicide. The crypto community mourns and highlights the urgent need for mental health awareness in times of market events like this. Please remember, life is worth more than money. Only invest what you can afford to lose, right? So that statement, remember, life is worth more than money. So every year we see this news happening. We see this news happening whereby when the market crash, you can read that. That is the message there. You can read that, right? So I'm no longer in the picture. So if you want to read, you can read, right? If you want to read, just let me know. I will show the full screen, right, so that you understand what you understand it what I am saying, right? Please let me share this link again, and I will show you guys what to do. Like I say, I will show you guys what to do, right? I will show you guys what to do. Let me first share this link first. I'm going to show you guys what to do in the time of crypto, when the crypto markets crash down. I will show you a clear picture of what you should do, and this is going to help you a lot. Like, I promise you, this is going to help you a lot, right? Oh, I'm coming. I'm coming. Yeah. All right. Sorry, I'm trying to share this live so that other people will also benefit from it, because this is something that everybody needs to know. Everybody needs to know. Everyone needs to know. Right? Okay. So just pardon me. I'm sharing this so that other people will join. Right? It's very, very important. Very, very important. Right, so let's go back to, let me change another picture here. I want one or two, I want about 30 people, 5 people to come back here again, then so that I will continue. Right, so like I was saying, every year, every single year, when we hear that, okay, something happened, and the crypto market is down, we just hear that a lot of people, this person commits suicide, this person commits suicide, and this person commits suicide. It's not supposed to be so, right? It's not supposed to be so at all, and that is the reason why I'm here to show you guys what to do when the market is down, and I will show you guys all of this. Now let's change the picture, right? No, let's change the picture. Let's change the picture. So look at this. How am I going to make this picture up so you will see? So let me just come one side so that you will see what I'm trying to show you guys. Look at that picture. Look at that picture. Let me just take one side so that you guys will see. When crypto market crashed down, what happened? Let me show you guys. Open your BitGet. You can open any of the exchange app you are having. Open the chart. Let's see the chart, because we are here to study the chart. I'm going to show you guys this from the chart. Right? I'm going to show you guys this from the chart. Open the chart and check Bitcoin. Open your Bitcoin chart. Open your BTC chart. Bitcoin chart. That is where I'm going to show you this. Open your BitGet chart. Now, if you see, look at this. Look at this. You are supposed to see there. Look at it. Look at what happened there. Bitcoin dropped down to $102,173. Now, that is the rejection. That is where the rejection starts. Now, the reason why this person lose this money, commit suicide, was because the amount of money he was owing has crashed down. Because let's say you buy coin, for example, let's say you buy coin, you having like 3,000 Dodge, 3,200 Dodge, and 3,200 Dodge was equivalent to $800, $800 to $300, right? $800 to $300, right? That was the amount of Dodge that you were having, or let's say $1,000. Yeah, the amount of Dodge, let's say $2,300. I mean, 300 Dodge was around $1,000, and when this thing happened from $1,000, it crashed down to $600. How much are you losing? You are losing good amount of money, right? But this is what is going to happen. Dodge was at price of what? Dodge was at price of 25 to 30 cents. That was the reason why you were making that money. Now let's calculate this for Bitcoin also. When Bitcoin was uptrend, Bitcoin was trading at price of $125,000 to 100. Was it 100? Let me check the price here. I want to be sure of what I'm saying so that you will learn. So Bitcoin was trading, the all-time high of Bitcoin was $126,200. So let's say that was the uptrend of the Bitcoin, and that was the level, and you were seeing that your money increased, right? You having huge amounts of money. And again, most of these people, what they are calculating there, including the profit, right? Because if you are a crypto investor, you are a crypto influencer, right? I'm talking about this guy. The reason why I'm talking about holding this live is because of this guy. Please, in case you are just coming, you need to understand. It's because of this guy. He committed suicide. Why? Because the crypto market crashed down and he lose money, obviously. So that is the reason why I'm holding this live, and to teach you guys what to avoid, what to do during this time. Now let's go back. I'm your technical analyst that will show you what is going to happen in the future. Like I already analyzed Bitcoin, and I know where Bitcoin is going to go in the bear markets. Should I give you expo? Bitcoin is going to go down to $46,000. You can mark my word, like you can bookmark this, write this down. In the bear market, that's where Bitcoin is going to go back. But for now, Bitcoin will continue moving uptrend, but later in the future, maybe like next year, in the middle of next year, that's when the market start dropping down. That's where Bitcoin is going to go. Bitcoin will come down, we start drop down to $71,000, then it will drop to $59,000, and then it will drop to $46,000. That will happen within 2 to 3 years, and then bull market is going to peak from there again. So I'm telling you the future of crypto now. I'm saying later, maybe like next year, but now, if you have money, you can still invest more in the crypto space. So most of these people, if you are a crypto investor, you are a crypto influencer, you are supposed to buy, you're supposed to know when the market, where, the right time to buy, right? So at this point in time, you're supposed to be in profit. So if you lose money, you are losing profit. You are not losing your capital. For example, me, what I'm losing is my profit. I'm not really losing capital, right? I'm not really losing capital from the money I invest. Do you understand? Now, if you check, you see how Bitcoin, when Bitcoin dropped down, then it gives a sharp rejection. Look at that sharp rejection that Bitcoin gave. Look at that sharp rejection down to $102,000, and then it go back. The candlestick close at what? At $112,000. So it dropped down to $101,000 and then $102,000, and go back and close at $110,000. So that means that if you buy Bitcoin at $112,000, Bitcoin is going to give you instant profit of $10,000. No two way about it, no story. It will give you instant profit of $2,000. The same thing to Dogecoin, the same thing to all the coins that happen. And then you look at that wick that creates here. That wick that creates here, a lot of people don't know the meaning of this wick. But I'm going to tell you the meaning of this wick, this sharp rejection. This sharp rejection here is an imbalance. It's an imbalance, it's a feature imbalance. What do I mean by feature imbalance? Feature imbalance means that in the future, when the Bitcoin market, when Bitcoin will start dropping, Bitcoin will come back and drop below this $102,000, and that is the reason why I tell you that in future Bitcoin is going to drop from $71,000, from $59,000, and then down to $46,000. So this weak candlestick that you see Bitcoin create here is an imbalance. Now, it's a feature imbalance. Now, it does not mean that Bitcoin is not going to go up again. So let's say Bitcoin was trading at $126,000 and that was where it crashed down. You are just patient. I know you are losing, but just keep calm. And that is the reason why it's very good. I do advise people to invest more instead of being a day trader, trying to be a day trader. Or scalping, right? So if we investing more in solid project on sports, if the market drop down, crash down, it's not really going to affect you. Now, here is the thing. Look at this curve. Look at this curve. That is consolidation. That is consolidation that Bitcoin is doing. Look at this curve. Look at this curve. Now, this is on how many? This is on 1 hour time frame. On 1 hour time frame, look at how many candlesticks that Bitcoin create here. Look at how many candlesticks here. Now, that is consolidation. That consolidation means that Bitcoin is going to move uptrend. Babas, welcome bro. Thank you for joining. So, it means that Bitcoin is curving. You see that curve? It's consolidation. It's consolidating. Now, where is Bitcoin going next? Let me show you where Bitcoin is going. Where Bitcoin is going. So if you see here on a day time frame, you see that Bitcoin is still on the trend, right? Bitcoin is still on the trend. It has not really broken the trend. Now let's go to 1 month time frame. If you check on 1 month time frame, oh my, see, this person that commits suicide, right? Yeah, this person that commits suicide really, should I say, this person that commits suicide, when he's so rest in peace, right? But should I say he don't understand technical analysis or what? Because if you understand technical analysis, see on 1 month time frame, we still have how many months to December? See, this crash down is in our favor, we traders. Now, if you go on one more time frame, you see that Bitcoin is still on trend. It has not broken out of trend, right? So I think tomorrow I'm going live again, and I will be on laptop to show you guys everything here, right? Everything that's happening here. So if you draw trend line here, you see that Bitcoin is still on trend, and on 1 month time frame, you see that Bitcoin, you see that Bitcoin started change of character. If you check complete 2 months, Bitcoin was on consolidation, right? Bitcoin was on consolidation. Then if you check here, the only thing is, the reason why this also catch me here was because I did not analyze on higher time frame, on 1 month time frame, and check that this is what is going to happen. No, I already knew this. I knew that if you check my let me show you guys something. If you check my let me show you guys this. If you check my analysis, I already dropped it that Bitcoin is going to drop down to $116,000, right? Let me show you guys that analysis. I dropped that analysis. Yeah, look at this. Look at this. I dropped this on the 7th of October. I said looking at Bitcoin's chart on 4 hours time frame. Now, my mistake here was this. I did not do this analysis on a higher, on a 1 month time frame on that 7th of August. How I wish I do this analysis on 1 month time frame on that 7th of August. I would have knew the crash. I would have knew that this crash is going to happen down to this level. Now, I knew that the crash is going to happen, but I never knew it's going to be this deep. Why? Because I analyze it on a smaller time frame. I look at it on 4 hours time frame. Now, this was what I come out with 4 hours time frame. As I looking at this chart on 4 hours time frame, you will see that Bitcoin formed a double bottom, which then the neck is showing at $117,000 to $116,000. This making me to doubt if the crypto market will continue uptrend, as Bitcoin is the major coin in this space. So if you check here, I already analyzed and I know that the market is going to drop down to $117,000 to $116,000, right? But this was on 4 hours time frame. Assume it was on 1 hour time frame. I mean on 1 month time frame, I would have get a clear picture of this crazy drop, this crazy dump. But still, I catch it, right? Still, I catch it. Now let's go back. I will show you something different. Let's go. Let's go back. Wait, let me show you guys the analysis I did. Is this the analysis? Oh no. Okay, no. Let me leave that. Let me show you guys this analysis. Okay, let's go back. So you see here, the next zone, the next key level of Bitcoin is going to be what? Is going to be at what? So from this consolidation, Bitcoin is going to come back to where? Bitcoin is going to come back to $119,000. So someone that understands technical analysis. Guys. Okay, crypto signal, crypto arbitrate. Okay, if I have crypto arbitrate, I'm going to broadcast it here. I will even do live, right? So I see a lot of people asking me for that if I have crypto arbitrate. Yeah, some people know me on that because I do crypto arbitrate that like so much before. So if you check here, you see that Bitcoin is consolidating. Now this consolidation is that Bitcoin is going to go back to what? Bitcoin is going to go back to $121,000. $120,000 to $121,000. Remember, Bitcoin was trading at $126,000. It now crashed that down. But that crashing is just to create for what is going to happen in the future, because history must repeat itself again, right? History must repeat. So at 100, Bitcoin is moving from here to $120,000 to $120,000 to $121,000. Whether you like it, whether we like it or not, Bitcoin is going to go back to that level, right? And from there, it's going to break out before December, like in November, it's going to break out of that $126,000, and we will see Bitcoin. We may even see Bitcoin at $170,000. You can mark this down, right? But the reason why you don't understand this is because you don't understand technical analysis. So for someone to commit suicide in this situation, it means that he did not do his proper research or proper analysis. If you do proper analysis, the only thing you need to do here is just make sure you have it. And for someone that have Lamborghini, for someone that is driving Lamborghini, like, are you kidding me right now? For someone that is driving Lamborghini, I'm not even expecting to do this, because he have money that he can, he can pay bills, right? He can pay bills. He can eat. He can do some things while waiting for the time to come back. Thank you, bro. Thank you. While waiting for the crypto market to come back, right? So he was not even supposed to do this. I'm talking about the person that committed suicide because of crypto market crash. down. He wasn't supposed to do this. So looking at this, Bitcoin is going to drop down to what? Down to 100. I mean, it's going to continue. It's going to continue uptrend, and it's move from here to 120 to $121,000. This is where Bitcoin is going to drop. So let's say, for example, Bitcoin is trading at $126,000, and then from $126,000 it dropped down to $120,000, losing losing $6,000. Is that something you're supposed to commit suicide? No, because if you do a proper technical analysis and also fundamental analysis, you're supposed to know that this is a normal thing. And this is just, like I said, that week is imbalanced for future purposes, because history is repeating itself again every single day, every single year. There is what I call recently on my, there is one analysis that I did. That analysis is here. That analysis is here, and I showed, man, there's no lights. There's no light at all. There's no light at all. There's no light at all. There's no light. So let me just leave it like this. So there's analysis I did here. This analysis I did here. You can check that video on my live. I go live, and there's a strategy that I gave abroad. I said this. Let me check it. I say is figure living traces. Figure living traces. So this figure living traces is the figure living traces. Hold on, I'm coming. Let me check that video. It's live. That live session is having 121 views already. Skip. Yeah. So it's one of my last live before this live. Is the last live before this live. Figure live traces. So the figure live traces is in that video. After here, you can go and watch. In that video, I show you guys the history of Bitcoin. How history repeats itself again every single year. Every single year, Bitcoin history, crypto history repeats itself again. Most especially Bitcoin. The history repeats itself again. So if what happened now is for history to repeat itself again, for what is going to happen in the future, right? So if Bitcoin, the history of Bitcoin has been repeating itself again since the time that Bitcoin was created, since the time that humans started carrying on transaction on the blockchain using Bitcoin as a first coin, as a first digital asset. If history has been repeating itself like that again, do you want history to respect only just you because of your money? It is not possible. Sorry to say, but it's not possible at all. So history must repeat itself again. So this is where Bitcoin is going to go, right? That is where Bitcoin is going to go. Now let's talk about Doge, because I've been singing about Doge. I'm being personally I've been blogging about Doge. Guys, I blog, right? You guys, some of you don't know that I blog about crypto. I'm an influencer. I blog on CMC, right? I have a page on CMC, verified, right? This is it. I think you guys are supposed to see it. Can you see this? Can you see it? Okay, you can see. Okay, so if you go on CMC on CoinMarketCap and you search for T Henry Digital World, you are going to see me, and you can follow me right there, right? So I blog there. That is like blogging, and I'm going to teach you guys on how to blog, how to make money with crypto blogging, right? That is like blogging. You just posting news, posting about crypto space, what's happening in the crypto space. It's actually blogging, right? So I'm willing to teach people. So if you want to learn, let me know in the comment section below. Do you want to learn how to blog? I can actually hold this class for free. Like, I can hold this class for free and teach you guys. I will make it a live session. I come here on live and I teach you guys that this is how to blog. This is how to become an influencer in the crypto space, because you can only be making money creating what they call, you can only be making money by trading, by doing, you know, stuff like that. You need to do some other things also. There are different ways of making money, like there are different sources of income in the crypto space, but you know what, some people don't know this, some people don't know this. They think that the only way you could make money in the crypto space is just you know, by you trading, and that's the reason why some people go ahead to create, you know, to start school, you know, crypto school, you know, start selling courses. Meanwhile, they don't know anything about this space. So they believe that the only way you can make money in this crypto space is by you trading, and then by you holding classes, selling courses to students, right? And I see that most of these people holding classes, they actually don't know what they are doing. Like, they are not profitable by what they are doing. They are not profitable by the crypto they claim they are trading. So they just trying to sell courses, the basic knowledge to people. But I can tell you that, you know, there are different ways of making money in the crypto space. So you can actually create different source of income in this crypto space, and becoming an influencer is one of them. Becoming an influencer is one of them. Becoming a crypto blogger is one of them. And let me tell you something: blogging in the Web3 space or becoming a content creator in the Web3 space will actually put you, like, there's no money as sweet as that money. It comes like a free money, but though, like, you work for it, right? Like, you work so hard to, you know, to come to that stage, because you need to have some followers on your page, you know, and stuff like that. And you must not necessarily creating videos. All right, there are some people that are making cool money. You can never see their face for one day, right? It's just blogging, right? And this has to do with Twitter. This has to do with CMC. This has to do with Instagram, with Telegram, right? These three platforms are just called one of the biggest, you know, social media platforms that deal with crypto. And one of them is strictly crypto, which is CMC, CoinMarketCap. CoinMarketCap is strictly about crypto, and yeah, you can post about, you know, forex. But if you want to grow fast on it, you can just be posting about crypto, and you can actually build your CMC in 3 months under my mentorship. In 3 to 4 months, you'll build your CMC, and your CMC will, you know, will be verified. Give you the blue tick, and you become an influencer. That's it, and that is how you start making money on net, right? So I'm just telling you, all of these are free information that I'm sharing to you, right? Yeah, because I also make money from there, and I will teach you guys on how to make money through this. So one day I'll come on live here and I will teach you guys. I think I'm not going to hold a physical class, because holding a physical class has always been, you know, so crazy for me. So guys, my link is in the comment section below. kucoin link. Registering on kucoin link, you're going to be getting some percentage, right? So register with my kucoin link. If you register and trade and be trading there, the more you trade, the more you get some percentage, right? So that's how it works, and that's the partnership I have with them. My followers must benefit from it, right? So let's talk about Dodge, because I talk about Dodge a lot. You know, I blog about Dodge. I make videos about Dodge. I tell people to buy Dodge, to invest in Dodge. Yeah, it's a very good project. It's a very good coin to invest in. But what happened recently is just crazy. Like, oh my gosh, just crazy. But yeah, it's a cool one, right? It's a cool one. You don't need to panic about that. You don't need to panic about that. Oh, so let me show you guys what happened on Dodge. Which coin again? Can someone choose any coin that you want? Let's analyze. Let's talk about. Do you have any coin in mind? Let's talk about that you are holding. Then asking that, okay, where do I think this coin is going to go? And I will just give you a brief analysis of it, of, you know, the coin, like where this coin is going. You understand? Yeah, I give you a brief this thing about it. So which coin? Let me know in the comment section below. Which coin? If you don't have any coin in mind, I'm going to just choose. Look at Co. Guys, I've already told you that Co is actually going to $10. And you see what happened. Co move up to $10 exactly. And I make video about this. This video is on YouTube. where co was trading at $5, and I told you guys that co is moving to $10, and everything happened. That's crazy, right? That's crazy, right? All right, so see Dodge. Look at Dodge here. Look at Dodge. Oh yeah, look at Dodge here. Look at Dodge. So if you check Dodge here, let me screenshot Dodge and also send. If you see here, Dodge and Bitcoin, they are operating on same pattern. Dodge and Bitcoin, they are operating on same pattern, same pattern. Right? Let's go back to 1 hour time frame. Same pattern. Let me send it so that we'll talk about it. Let me send it here. I'll bring it on screen. Guys, like my video. Make sure you subscribe. Very important, right? Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, right? So let me go and save that picture and bring it and show you guys the pattern that Dodge. Please take note of this screenshot that I just dropped here. That is Dodge. Look at it. Look at the pattern of Dodge and look at the pattern of Bitcoin. Look at this both pattern. Look at the pattern of Bitcoin. Look at the pattern of Dodge. Do you see that the pattern is the same pattern? So Dodge is also coming to, let me see. Dodge will from here come straight to what? To 22 cents. 22 cents to what? 22 cents to 24 to 25 cents. Now let's go on the, hold on, wait, I'm coming. I want us to go on higher time frame, and that higher time frame I'm going to still send it. Thank you for liking the video, my video. Thank you for subscribing. Right? So let's go on higher time frame. Let's go on higher time frame. Let's go on higher time frame. Oh, thank you very much. Thank you, bro. Oh, Hans Pro. Bro, what's up? How you doing now? How you doing? Hope you're good. Alright, so let's go on higher time frame on Dodge. Let me show you guys what Dodge is going to do. So just look at Dodge that I'm just talking about now. See, Dodge start picking. We are now at 19 cents, gone to 200, gone to 20 cents, right? Gone to 20 cents. Now let's go on a month time frame on Dodge. 1 month time frame. So guys, if you check what is happening on Dodge, is let me try to get one candlestick here. I mean trend, yes. So I want to show you something. Right, so I want to show you that Dodge have not lose its trend. Doge is still on the trend, right? Doge is still on the trend, right? Let me send it to you guys. Let me upload it here. Let me upload it here. Doge is going to move from here. Guys, if you have money, anybody that have money, this is the best time to just buy Doge. I can see advocate for Doge. See now, let me show you. I will show you guys now that I'm talking about Doge. You will see the price that Doge has, pumped to. You see, we are at 19 cents now. Remember, I dropped this at 18 cents. Now let me show you this. So rest in peace. Let me show you guys this. Look at this. Do you see? Oh my bro. Thank you for the gift. Let me screenshot. Thank you for the gift. Thank you for the gift, bro. Thank you, bro. So look at Doge. Doge has not lose the trend at all. Look at Doge. The trend is still there, strongly there. There's still trend there. So, like I said, you see that sharp rejection, that sharp wick, that candlestick, that one that dropped down, that even dropped down to 0.09 cents. That is a future imbalance. It means that in the future, the market is going to come back. So, yeah, if you buy Doge now, yeah, in the bear market, Doge will drop below that price. Yeah, for sure. Doge, it may not sound impossible, but bro, like, we see different things happening in this crypto space. Sometimes, even me, when I do analysis, I'm like, bro, like, this analysis is going to happen. Before I start believing in my analysis, believing in myself, was when, several times, like analysis that I, the market that I analyze, my analysis that I do and give prediction, I will be doubting that can this really happen? But in the future, as time goes on, everything will happen. So my analysis do happen strongly, like 1 hour, 1 month, 2 months, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, or something like that. I may give you analysis. This analysis will sound untrue, that this is not going to happen. But everything will actually come back and play out 100%. People that are following me here, they will... Thank you, bro. I really appreciate for this gift. I think this is the first person to give me gift here since I've been going live. This is the first person to give me gift. So I think what am I going to say now? Because like they give me this gift now, I'm confused. Yeah. So yeah, sometimes before I start believing in my analysis was when I see that my analysis are happening 100%, because sometimes I do analysis and me myself I not believe that this is going to happen in the future, but it's actually play out, right? So as you can see, Doge has not lost the trend, its trend at all. It's still on the trend, right? So it's to tell you that, remember when I was telling you guys to buy Doge was trading at 20 cents, 20 to 21 cents, and I told you guys to buy Doge. Why? Because I said that Doge is creating a double bottom at 100 level. That was on a weekday and 4 hours time frame that I saw the double button. I told you guys that you should do that, right? And from that 20 cents, Doge has moved from 20 cents to 30 cents. That is a very good profit. So for some of you that take profits, you should give me credit. You say, okay, I try on this analysis, and I'm telling you again that this is the best time to buy Doge. Like, I'm kidding you not. This is the best time. Like, this is the best and this is the sweetest way of you buying Doge and taking profit, right? So I met someone today that was telling me they want to analyze. They want to invest. That you tell them which coin to invest. I'm going to give them this. This particular person want to invest. Minimum $1,000. I was kind of like, I was kind of like, not want to involve myself because of time. I don't really do investment again for people. Before I do investment for people now, I don't do again. But seeing analysis what is playing in the market now. 80% come today, tomorrow. The coin we are going to buy is Doge, and another coin we are going to buy is what? Tau. Let me show you guys something. Guys, Tao has been one of the coin that really cash, like really bless me, like I make good profit on Tao. See Tao is like you should not even check Tao. Like you should not even check what's happening here on Tao. Let me show you guys this. Oh, see, let me show you guys this. Let me show you guys something. You don't believe it. You guys don't believe it. You guys don't believe what Tao did. You guys don't really believe what Tao did. I'm telling you, like, you don't even believe that. Oh, Tao did this. Did you know that this year Tao moved this year to $488, or is it okay, this year, let me check this candlestick. No, which year was that? Okay. So January this year, Tao moved to $580 something, $585. $585. And Tao moved from $166 to $585. Now, this dip that dropped, Tao dropped down to $141. No, Tao dropped down to $147. And then currently, as we speak, Tao is trading at $335. Now, guys, there is something here that I want to tell you. Tao is on downtrend on 1 hour, on 1 month, on a month time frame. Now, if you check this, Tao is about to break out. If Tao break out of this, Tao is going to what? To $677. Let me show you this. Let me show you guys the simple analysis that I'm talking about here. Look at this. Look at this. I will do this analysis and I will send it to you. Look at this. So if you check here, if you check here, so from here, I'm expecting Tao to move to what? Hold on, I will show you guys, don't worry. I will show you. No worry, just hold on. Calm. There's this thing that I'm checking here. They are not, I'm not seeing them. There are some tools, checking. They're not here. Oh, where can I see these tools? This is crazy. Oh my gosh. Okay, let me just use this. Oh, no. Let me not use that. Okay. So, let me change this color. Or should I use green? Yeah. Let me send it to you now, guys. Let me send it. I'm sending it now. I will upload it. I don't have my phone here. My laptop. So let me send it. Let's go back and upload. Yeah. Guys, so this is Tao. And Tao is also trading on kucoin, guys. So don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to register on kucoin. For you to get bonus trading there, you are going to be getting some bonus, right? So yeah, my link is in the comment section below. That is the link. Click on it. So if you check there on a month time frame, Tao started dropping down and Tao crashed down to $147, and currently Tao moved from that price and Tau is trading at 330 something dollars. Now, Tau is trading inside a zone. Look at that line, that purple line that I crossed from up to down. That place is a zone. And Tau is looking at breaking out. Breaking out, right? Now, where you see down, I draw a straight line here. A straight purple line here. That is a support level. So look at the wick that Tau dropped down. It's just a rejection. It's a very strong rejection now. Tau is not moving that way any longer, but it's moving uptrend. Do you understand? Someone's talking about trading signals. Made it fit to screen to see. Oh, can't you see? Oh my gosh, can't you see? Wait. Okay, wait, let me confirm from here. So sorry. Oh my gosh. Can you see it? Can you see it? Can you see it, please? Let me know if you can see. Okay. Oh shit. You can't see it correct. Like, how can I make this? How can I make this? How can I make this? Okay. Okay, it's too large. Is there any way possible I can do this? Is there any, bro? I think there's no. Bro, I think there's not that section here. 1 minute second short upload to channel. Wait, at least 1 minute of content is needed to create a short. Let me try to check if it's possible. Bro, like, all right. Thank you very much. So let's continue. Wait, let me reply message. Oh. So sorry. So looking at Tau here, I'm going to check this after, please. I'm going to check this in my next live. I'm going to check this. I don't normally use screenshot like this to do my live stream. So I normally use the full screen like that. So that's the reason why this is happening like that. I'm so sorry. I'm going to work on that. So let's go back on Tau. Bro, Tau is a coin that is a very good project. Like, it's a very good coin that you can invest in. Look at it. Now that I'm talking about Tau, it was trading at $330. Now it's $333. It's a coin that do skyrocket. If Tau skyrocket, look at this price here. I'm expecting Tau to move at $680. So if you investing $300 in Tau currently, like right now, Tau is going to move to $680, and that is, you are going to make it $300 profit on it. That's this thing that I'm telling you. Just check my analysis. Just check this, and I'm telling you out. It's going to play out. So if you check, and this thing is showing here, I don't know why it's not showing to you there. So there's this line that I brought down, and there's this line that I slashed there. That line is actually showing on the screen there on YouTube. So you see, that is a breakout that I'm expecting. We are expecting Tau. You see that line that I crossed down like this is a breakout. Tau is going to break out of that. That place down here is a zone. So Tau is actually going to break out of that. And currently Tau is trading at $343 inside that zone. But if anything make Tau break out of that, Tau is going straight to $380. That is going to be my first take profit. First take profit. First take profit. That's going to be the first take profit. Before we talk about if it's going to surpass from there and go back to all-time high. All-time high of Tau, you can see that one here. No, you can't see it. Oh my gosh. All-time high of Tau is $780. $780. But the first take profit is going to be at $680, and then we are going to be seeing $100 gain from there, and we see if Tau is going to break the previous all-time high, because the previous all-time high is $780. So if it break out of that, going to $680 and then moving to the previous all-time high of $780, if Tau want to break out of that, then just expect Tau moving to $3,000. I'm telling you, Tau, just expect it moving to $300,000. $3,000. This is not a financial advice, but just, check what is going to happen. Just bookmark this, check the analysis down. Please read instruction here. Yeah, so that's what is going to happen, right? So everyone, thank you very much for joining this live. Like, I even take much time. I wanted to do this live for just 45 seconds, but now I'm at 55 seconds. I think it's that gift that ginger me. Oh my God, thank you guys. Thank you very much for encouraging me to this level. I really appreciate. So I'm going to be going live here every single week. I think 3 times in a week. And there's some people that have knowledge here. We can be going live together discussing how the market is going. So this guy, I did not expect this guy to commit suicide. This is the guy. Like, I did not expect him to commit suicide. I did not expect this guy to commit suicide. If this guy, and they tag him as a crypto investor, a crypto influencer. Do you know how much influencers make, bro? Do you know how much influencers make? Like, so if he lose so much money, he can still get it on one job. On one influencing job, he can get that amount of money. 1, 2, 3. By the time he collect influencing, like 3 jobs. Okay, some of us that we are just small influencers, small codes. Let me put it like that. Do you know how many projects reach out to us to work with them? Some we reject because the money is small. Right now, when you go broke, you can accept some of those, deals that come with small amount of money, right? So for someone like him, if he go broke, he can still go back and accept small project that reach out to him for partnership. So he can actually reach out to them. But bro, like, may his soul rest in peace. But please guys, be careful out there. Don't invest what you can afford to lose. And whenever you lose in the market, just sit down, carry your laptop or your phone, analyze, or just give me a call. We talk. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you for joining. Thank you for the gift. Thank you for the gate. Hans Pro Academy. Thank you very much. That is my boss right there. Thank you very much. I really appreciate you guys. See you in my next live. Bye for now.